So you may be wondering why my room is a mess and yours is also a mess. Well, I can't really tell you why yours is a mess, it's your own choice. And why I don't have a monitor, because it's down there. Because I got a new one. And it turns super steady off on my phone because it makes the quality really fuzzy. So yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna try and get this onto there somehow. I'm gonna have to. So it comes with a HDMI cable, which I'm not using this time around. Comes with a display port. It's got this weird thing which I didn't know. It's got a button, but it's only for, there's some little wrong side. There's little fork bits that come out. So when you want to remove it, it's safer than a HDMI in a way. Comes with the standard power cable, all black as you'd expect. And yeah, comes with USB ports and a box. As you can see, it's a very big box. It's very heavy for me because I'm weak and because no one gets to go to gym these days. And thankfully not too much of this. Didn't come with that though, or that. I'm probably gonna move this TV from this room because 34-inch ultra wide, curved. It's a good thing I put it on the bed because it wouldn't be safe if I put it somewhere else, I think. Now I'm gonna try and get this from there to there. Excuse the mess. It's typical. It's usually not this, but yeah, it's night time. What are you gonna do? Clean it for me? Yeah, give me a minute, I guess. Just had my brother come in, annoy me for no reason, or talk to me at least. He has nothing to do. Hopefully I'll have another video when he gets his monitor, eventually. To be honest though, this thing is heavy. That's kind of nice. I wonder if my GTX 1063 gig will be able to support it. I need to get a 3060. I really want a 3060. I have almost got enough money to technically get one off eBay, but there's no point. Once the 12 gig version comes out, or the 20 gig version, I forget. Toddler Jam. This is a nice touch. Other than obviously the swivel and the height adjustment and the tilt. So I have, oh god, you can't even see that, but there are cables that, wait, let me turn this. Ooh, even a swivel. Yeah, you can barely see that. But yeah, there are two USBs in there, then the USB cable that goes to the computer, and this display port with safety release, and the power cable, which you can barely see. Nice, and these weird buttons, which are for the menu on the monitor, but no LEDs, sad. And then I guess I could put LEDs in there. Nice gap for LEDs, to be honest. If only I hadn't put two USB things in there. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna see about turning it on. Looks kinda nice. So, I actually thought I was gonna have to look at a manual to see these buttons, but I guess they specify. Oh god, cables in there. Oh god. Yeah, power button. I can barely read anything. There you go. Yeah. Let's see. Why the buttons feel like weird. Okay, so it's apparently on now. Oh god, my eyes. Ooh, that's cool. Well, apparently it fits. Well, actually, no, I don't think it fits. Nah, yeah. Oh, right now the thing's on the first display, which is that display. I just really like the Anthem background. Well, yeah, that's that. Show my USB. Let's see, can I set up a second display? That's not there. Display settings. Identify. So that's 1. No. Oh. Wait. Still can't get to that display. Let's try that. What does that do? How do we get onto this display? Windows tab. Nope, it's not Windows tab. Okay. Can I turn the other one off? Oh wait, show only 1. Okay, so keep changes, I guess. Hey, okay, we got it working. Telling everything's really small. Oh, really small and fast. Let's see what the menu on this monitor has. Oh, interesting. I don't know what that does. Oh, great, it went away. Let's see what that is. Oh. Oh, it goes away too quickly. Don't know what that means. Let's see, is there an OSD timeout? 5 seconds. Whoops. Okay, so I can set it to 60. Oh. Okay, so I think we're at 144 FPS. Okay. I like how I found the ultra-wide display. Actually, it looks a bit better. OSD background. Oh. I think I prefer that one. Maybe 4, 5, oh. No, 5th level. Level 3 is fine. And now to go back, is input. Setup menu. What's direct drive? I'm not gonna do that just in case. I turn FreeSync on just cause. Oh, okay. What happened? Does NVIDIA not support FreeSync? Probably should check that ahead of time. What's that? Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, but let's see what that sounds like. I don't see any non-copyright. What? Nope. NCS. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's kind of loud. That's kind of loud. Jeez. Okay, so turn that down. Or turn that up and then turn that one down. So, pretty high quality speakers. And probably turn that one up fully. So it's full on the screen. Oh great. I'm gonna make this video really loud. Long. I don't know what iStyle mode is. And yes, this is their gaming thing. Way to save different things. Oops. Oh, great. Blue light reducer. Do have one technically. Okay, back. These buttons aren't the easiest to use. Oh great. Yeah. Actually no. Instead of auto input select. There we go. Actually no, it's gonna be annoying. Oh great. Black tuner. I have no idea what that's gonna help me with. X-res technology. Jeez, I nearly played through the whole song. Joy. Okay, so these two are for going up and down. Pretty basic and actually not really basic, but more direct, I guess, compared to the settings for the AOC, because there's this thing called bright frame, which I think is just for you to check if there are any dead pixels. So yeah, apparently I only have 5 songs that are NCS. Fun. No, the TV no longer works. I might just plug the PS4 in this too. I no longer have an Xbox, because I now have full. Ooh, I wonder what Forza looks like in this. Okay, do I have anything else open that I don't need open? Epic Games. Doesn't really look curved for me, at least. Let's see, display settings again. 3440 by 1440. What's Nvidia saying? Drivers, no drivers list. Yokai, Quake 2 RTX. Forza. It might take a while to load this. Well, isn't that nice? Eee. See if I can tweak the settings. So the auto detect settings set it to 72 FPS, but it seems it's still dropping. Makes sense for the screen. It does look like it's stretched though. No matter. We'll see. Benchmarking it right now though. It's amazing how much my hands shake. Oop. 72 says consistent though. Oh look, driving with no hands. Quality looks much sharper on my phone than it does. Oh, actually no, I take that back. Like where the lights are, the colored pink, orange and all that, very sharp. Oh, maybe I should have left motion blur on. No one really likes motion blur, it takes away your frames. Drops a bit, sometimes it goes up, 73, 74 frames. Most time, 73 there. But quality is, even though my PC only goes to 1080p on this, seems fine. But obviously when I get ray tracing, nothing can stand in my way other than maybe a bottleneck somewhere else. Maybe my RAM only being 2400 megahertz might put me down. Race is nearly over. Will the race conclude the video though? Maybe. Might try Fortnite. That'll be like a few seconds. Oh, what do we have data wise? Ooh, it's not really focusing well on that. Wait, autofocus. There we go. Not as easily visible. Not sure what to call it exactly. Screen tearing that you'd see when when you look at a 60 Hz display with this phone. Though, some things are unreadable. Ew. There we go, slightly better I guess. We're locking the autofocus. Windows version. 2.22 gig, what? Oh. Is that HDMI taking some of it? That could make sense. This is doing 1080 at 144 Hz. Benchmark run is valid. Continue. Okay, whatever. To Fortnite.